Careers in the Working World programme. Delivered by the education team to primary and secondary schools in RCT, we offer young people the kind of insights that both generate realism and aspiration in terms of their future life. The programme is delivered to classes and year groups throughout years 6 to 13 and helps young people to understand how current choices, values and behaviour affect future employment. We will give guidance on how to manage their career pathways and plan effective choices, becoming motivated, setting long-term goals and overcoming barriers. Giving advice on developing key skills, preparing for the challenges, choices and responsibilities of work and adult life, and ultimately inspiring young entrepreneurs. The programme is kept up to date using current labour market intelligence and is developed around this to inform young people about the skills, qualities and areas of growth required for them to be successful individuals. For more information on the Careers in the Working World programme, email us on eett@rctcbc.gov.uk.